Hello, folks. It's Jeremy Osterberger. I'm here with Willie Wells, who is President and CEO of Industry Business Roundtable. Mr. Willie, how you been?
Been doing great, having a great EH&S conference, and really having a good time here.
That is correct. So we are at the Texas Louisiana Environmental Health and Safety Seminar and Industry Show, and I am in the Industry Business Roundtable booth. Willie, for folks that maybe do not know the Industry Business Roundtable, can you talk a little bit about what the organization does for industry?
So, the Industry Business Roundtable is a forum for asset owners, owner operators, and contractors to collaborate on different best practices and share best practices and also develop those best practices within the industry. So, we have our members, which are all the asset owners, and then our partners, which are the contractors, and we just come together to try to help transform the industry in a positive manner.
Really, speaking of collaboration, I've attended some of your committee meetings. Talk about those committees that you have within IBR.
So we have a number of different committees, and we're doing a lot of great work. Our one that we're really focused on now is our North American Background Screening Consortium and North American Substance Abuse Program, and it's because we're trying to make sure that we increase the reciprocity throughout the industry. And if member companies come in and they're using these two programs and they're all using them together, then they'll be reciprocal throughout the industry and help to cut costs for those locations, those sites.
So Willie, let's stay with those programs. They're evolving, right? So what's the best way for members to stay engaged and maximize those program value?
To come to the committees, be active in the committees, contact us. We want to increase our membership. We'd love to increase our membership, and if we can get more members involved, then we're going to drive the transformation of the industry.
So Willie, your background's with Infinity Group, of course, they got absorbed by Wood. You've been in this market for quite a long time. How has the collaboration between asset owners and contractors improved over the years?
Well, I think it's improved greatly. I mean, we've really come together and done a lot of things that help transform the industry. The Safety Excellence Award is one good part of that. The Safety Excellence Award has driven the performance in our area down, which is a good thing. And when I say performance, I mean safety performance. We've really done a great job with helping to send people home safely and make sure that our industry and our area is the best of the best.
Really, there have been improvements. What are an area or some areas where we can continue to see even more improvement or more growth?
I would say from our crane and rigging committee, we're doing a lot in there. We've got a new co-pilot program that we're working on as a best practice. Our Safety Excellence Award through our Safety and Health Committee. One of the things that I think is really taking off right now is our Safety Culture and Leadership Subcommittee, which has a lot of human performance tied to it, and it's a really good committee that's getting a lot of traction throughout the industry.
And what are some other committees, Willie, if someone's interested in being a part of IBR?
Okay, so we have the NASAP and NABSC committee. We have the Crane and Rigging Committee, Safety and Health Committee, the Crane and Rigging Committee, Environmental Committee. We spun off of the Safety, Health, and Environmental because we weren't doing enough around environmental, and we wanted to get more focused on that. So we have an Environmental Committee, and then we also have, again, the subcommittee that I mentioned. And one of the things that we're really excited about is we're reestablishing the Workforce Development Committee, and it's going to grow exponentially over the next few years.
And Willie, let's get into the next, I guess, the immediate future here. I mean, are there any recent developments either within IBR or kind of broader industry that you think will significantly shape or move our industry over the next couple of years?
So I think if we emulate some other associations and what they're doing with workforce development. It's going to help up in the greater Houston area and beyond in the Gulf Coast. And so we're working along with ECMA, Petrochem Works, Texas Chemistry Council, American Chemistry Council, and trying to expand that through that workforce development. And we collaborate with all of those associations, those local associations. Also with the Economic Alliance, Houston Port Region. So we do a lot of collaborating with other associations in our local area. Our PSM program is getting ready to, we're going to expand it. We're going to be better at it. And we partner with Gabria up in Baton Rouge with that program, and with our two associations doing that together, I think it's going to really take off and do well.
Willie, before we wrap up, is there anything else you want to share? I just want to give you the last word.
Well, I would like to say too, I've kind of missed out on this, is the fact that we've got other locations, other cities that want to start an IBR, and we're open to that. We're going to have to work through that, but we do have some cities throughout the nation, not just in Texas, that would like to have the same thing that we have, and so we'll help them get started and then turn it over to them and let them take it where they want to take it.
Well, Willie, we always appreciate our relationship between BIC and IBR, and thank you so much for spending time with us today.
Yes, sir. Thank you.